Yo guys, hello, and today I'm gonna be playing Toca Kitchen Sushi again. That's why I'm very addicted to the game. Oh yeah. So let's do this. I'm gonna add some food. I'm gonna shape some of the food. Okay, wait, what is that? I'm gonna pick plus signs. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. And that's enough. Time to cook it in the pan. Oh, no, not these. Put them in the pan. Oh, yeah. Maximum flame. Shake it up, baby, now. Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout. Twist and shout. Come on, baby, now. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Let's do this. Oh, my goodness. Okay, that's enough. No more. Okay, no more. Because I don't want to burn it. Next, we're going to go to the burrito section. We put those stuff there. Tomato. And I don't know what the tail is, but it looks weird. And finally this. No, get back in there, mushroom. I'm gonna do this green one. And this yellow one. And this orange one. And the rice. And let's shape it up into a burrito. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I'll put the burrito over here. Let me change the plate. I like this plate because it's pretty nice. Oh yeah. Alright. Alright. Let's do this. Add the tomato one over there, and that's good. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay. Give him it. Oh, I think he's gonna enjoy it. Right. You eating the burrito? How is it? How's the burrito? He likes it. He likes the burrito. Alright, eat the rest of the plus signs now. Eat the rest of the plus signs now. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're eating 3 at the same time? With 1 ham one and a chicken, and 2 tomato, I guess. And eat those last ones. Okay, I already gave him 2 meals last time when I played this. Alright, you're on your phone, put that plate away. Let me make some mess. What should I make? Oh my goodness, I totally forgot about this one. You know what? Feed it to the trash can. Okay. Now let's make sushi roll. Gonna add some stuff. And last but not least, a pickle. Well, a big pickle as well. Oh my goodness, that is a lot of stuff. Let me do it. Shrimp and yeah, that is a lot of stuff. Oh my goodness, let's wrap it up into a burrito. Oh yeah! Oh yeah. Now, let's wrap this baby up. There you go. I'm gonna shape some of now. This time, I'm gonna make heart-shaped tomatoes and ham. Oh yeah, my special hearts. Alright. I'm gonna put them in the pan. And cook them up. Shake it up, baby, now. Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby, now. Come on, baby. Twist and shout. Twist and shout. Okay, enough. Okay. Let me do this burrito. And this burrito. I'll put that burrito over there. And this time, I'll stack the hearts on the burritos. And this one, wait, I'll put this heart, wait a minute, I'll put this heart over here on the white one. And let's feed it. And wait, I can take a picture too, you know, of the sushi. That's pretty cool. And it sends to my gallery. Okay. Alright, chow down. Chow down, dude. Eat up. Chew up. Yeah. That one's spicy, I guess. Yes, it is. And the white one might be okay. The white one might be not spicy. Oh, it's spicy. The white one's spicy. Yeah, he likes the white one better. Alright. That's your toothpick. I didn't know he had his own toothpick. He has a pink one. Because he doesn't need to pick the ones from the cup. He has his own toothpick. That's pretty cool. Alright. Octopus, meat, candy cane, watermelon, and I don't know what these things are, but I'll just call them spicy turkey, I guess. And hot chili peppers, shrimp, pickle, turnip, and I think that's a pear, I guess, and meat, another meat, tomato, a big giant fish, and some salad, I guess. I don't know what that is. Mushroom. I don't know. That's a peach. And I don't know what the tail is. 8 strawberries. And that's it. I'll put 8 strawberries in here. Wait, what? No, I'm not. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, he doesn't like it that much because it's too much. Okay. I'm gonna make star-shaped. Perfect. It's perfect. Okay. Now let's make the burrito. Oh no, I don't want to add the star. Oh yeah, definitely a whole fish. Alright. Burrito! Oh yeah. Well, a green burrito as well. Okay guys, now I'm gonna add this meat and add the rice. That's a whole lot of stuff. And add this and this and this. Roll it up. Roll it up. Oh yeah, that's good. Nope, no strawberries in the house. I mean, no strawberries in a burrito. That's gonna be weird. But there can be pears in a burrito or pickles. Alright. Perfect. Add that candy cane. I want to add that candy cane so it can look delicious. But I don't know why they added a candy cane in it. But that's weird. Oh yeah. Put that burrito in. I mean, I'll put the burritos over here. I'll just throw this in the garbage because it's useless, pretty useless. All right, cut that sushi roll. Cut that sushi roll. Cut that sushi roll. And add it on the plate. My goodness, the cat's gonna be pretty surprised, I guess. He might take a picture of this. Let's add the burritos. I'll add this one. Nope, strawberries. What's going on? Okay, good. Now add these little buddies, tomatoes. And, alright, I'm gonna take a picture. Oh yeah, it looks very good. Alright, kitten, chow down, it's your birthday. Why don't you look happy? It's good, you have a lot of stuff. It's like a buffet. Well, mini buffet. You like it? Well, the meat ones. Why not try my burritos and the sushi rolls? Try my sushi rolls and burritos. What? Why not eat those other stuff instead of the hearts? Or the stars? Eat my sushi rolls and burritos, weirdo. There you go, you ate one. It's spicy, I know. Okay. Eat that other one. Okay. Why not eat the burritos too? Eat the burritos too. And you're eating a strawberry. How about you eat the tomato hearts? Okay. They're spicy. Careful not to eat too many of those sushi rolls, or you're gonna get a burn. You're gonna burn your throat, dude. When you eat two, you're gonna burn your throat. Okay. You're eating another one. It's spicy. Careful not to burn your throat, cat. Okay, now eat the burritos. Eat them. There you go. You ate one. Yeah, that burrito is pretty spicy. Alright, eat that strawberry thing. I mean, tomato heart. Right. Oh, there's another one. Okay, why not eat that burrito with the tomato heart on it? And he likes it. Okay, good. You're done. You're done with your food. Okay, goodbye. Get out. Get out. Alright. Okay. I feel like feeding the old man, so please get out. Sorry. Sorry. Ow. Okay. Hello, little old man. I thought I said lady. Right. Add the squid meat, and I don't know what this is, but spiky meat, I guess. I don't know. Hot chili peppers. I'm gonna add 4 hot chili peppers with these things. And first, let's go to the shaping area. Yeah, this is one of my favorite areas. I like these areas. These are one of my favorite areas. And shape them into little circles. Like little balls. Oh, this one got stuck. There you go. That's better. Okay. Let's go to the burrito maker. I'm only gonna add a few stuff. Only add these guys. Rice. Flatten it up. And put it over here. Cool. slice it. I'm gonna slice it into fourths, cause they might be spicy for him. Cause maybe it will be spicy. Alright, these balls are gonna be stacked. The balls are gonna be stacked, and add these thingies. There you go. Sushi. Sushi. Nope, no stickers. I like it just perfect. Just like a normal food. No stickers. Alright, now take a picture first. And it looks very good. Alright. Alright, now feed it to him. Alright, chow down, dude. It's your birthday. Oh, I think he's going to be happy about it. I think he's going to like it. How are those? Yeah, it's a spicy. That's hot chili pepper balls. Those are hot chili pepper balls. Eating that one. That's spicy too. The little thingies. Those spicy things. Okay, eat that. Alright, now eat those two last things. Eat those two sushi rolls. Yeah, it's nice. It's not spicy, but he loves it. Alright. And he's done. Alright. Okay. Okay, that's it. Get out. Get out. I'm gonna watch them in. Sorry, cat, but I'm sorry, cat, but I can't feed you now because the video's over now. Alright, goodbye, man. Goodbye. Yeah, goodbye. Alright, get out. Get out of here. Get out. And just enjoy the beach. Enjoy the ocean. Just, how about you go for a swim in the ocean? Yeah, that'd be better. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.